Hello and welcome to ByteShift. In this video, we are going to understand the example that we are going to create. We have three different routes: splash, login, and home. The action that we want to do here is first we load the splash screen and then we go to the login screen. Now the thing is, we don't want to go back to the splash when you press a hardware back button or a back button on the login screen. So basically we just want to replace the route of splash with login. Similarly, when you go from login to home screen, it will be a replacement of the current screen. It will not be a push operation, because if you push the home screen on top of login screen and if you just pop out or press a back button, it will take you back to the login screen, which is not the desired behavior. So join me in the next video. I'm going to go hands-on and explain the functionality. How can we implement in React Navigation 5.x? See you guys in the next video.